Today, I want to share with you a series of unsettling events that have been captured by surveillance cameras between 2019 and 2023. These episodes depict mysterious and potentially dangerous situations that occurred in various parts of the United States. Take your time to immerse yourself in these intriguing stories. Let's begin with an incident reported on November 30th, 2021, when a Twitter user from Dallas reported a disturbing event. Her doorbell camera had recorded a suspicious man repeatedly standing outside her apartment for nearly an entire month. The woman had reached out to the authorities, but their response was inadequate. Footage from her Ring camera showed the man often standing still outside her apartment, raising concerns about his intentions. The video went viral, with many expressing their concern for her safety. 2 days later, she provided an update stating that her friends and family had confronted the man, and security had been enhanced. However, there were no further updates, and the man's identity remained unknown. In another video from November 2019, captured in Harriet Creek Ranch, Texas, a little girl was seen knocking on the door of an unoccupied house late at night, begging for help.
Help, please. Please help.
It remains unclear whether she was genuinely in danger or part of a sinister plot, possibly related to a missing person case in South Dakota. Moving on to December 2021, a woman in a hoodie approached a house late at night, asking to use the phone, claiming her car had broken down.
Hello, do y'all have a phone I can use? My car broke down, and y'all's the only one that got a light on.
We don't.
You don't?
Sorry.
After the homeowner initially refused, he opened the door, only for the situation to turn tense when the man with her tried to break in. The homeowner managed to secure his family's safety, but the identities of the individuals involved remain undisclosed. In February 2020, an off-duty police officer intervened when his neighbor's security camera captured a shirtless man attempting to break into their home. An intense pursuit ensued, leading to the intruder's arrest, who was under the influence of hard drugs. A video from April 29, 2023, showed a woman in El Paso, Texas, ringing a doorbell in distress, appearing to be pursued. These incidents make us ponder the strangeness and uncertainty that can arise in everyday life and remind us of the importance of staying vigilant and cautious in suspicious situations. They will forever be etched in the memories of those who experienced them and in our thoughts as we seek to understand what truly happened in those moments.